So guys, we are back once again on to the dashboard. If I click on this, click open in a new tab. This is the website which we are designing right now. Now what else I want to add in this? I can go to the menu, and this time I want to design my product page, that is women's jacket. So I can click on this, I can go there and I can edit the page, and I want to design this page with Elementor. So click on edit with Elementor. So here it is Elementor. As we all know that Elementor is the best page builder in the world. With the help of Elementor we can customize our website in so many ways. So let's get started. So we are going to create a product page with the help of Elementor. First of all, I want to add an heading, so I can click on this. I can select one column or a structure, and this blue line we can see these three things, and inside outside is one column and inside is another column. So how we can add heading? First of all, I can click on this, and at the left hand side we can find these three items. I can stretch the section, content width. If you want, you can choose full width or boxed, but I am okay with boxed. Column gap, default height, I can say minimum height. Column position, middle, this is the column which is in middle. I can go to style and I can select a color. Click on color. Then we have background overlay, background type. Choose, I want maybe this one. This is very important section where you need to type keywords which are searched by visitors on the Google. They might search for leather jacket, or they may search for ladies leather jacket. So I can say ladies leather jacket. Copy. My picture is not perfect, so what I can do, so this picture is not perfect, I can make it perfect. So I can click on this, I can say center, go to layout, and I can say height 2. I think that's perfect. Click on update, can go to style. So this is perfect. Now I want to put a heading over there, so I can click on this, on heading, hold women's jacket. If you want to give any link, you can type, choose as per your requirement, italic, bold. Okay, this is perfect. Now what else I want to do? This time I want to show my product, that's ladies jacket. I can come down and add two columns, and in that column I can go there, image, over here with this one. See, the title is $86, but this is weird. Nobody will search like this. Normally all visitors, they search on Google something like that. So this is keyword. So when people will search women's jacket, so your product will see on the Google first page. Click over here. I want to give some description about this product. So how I can do that? I can go there. Now I want to show the price of this jacket. I can put the price here. Here you need to give a link, so that when the visitors will see the image, they will see the description about the product, the size. There is one more column, so here click on update, This is fine. Let me show you how you can add more product or services in different. So this is 225, but we have to optimize our product so that SEO search engine optimization will work on our website. So I can pure leather jacket. Again, I want to describe this product so that visitors will contact, and they will redirect to contact page so they can contact immediately. Center, that's fine. The whole design will be duplicate and I don't want these two, so right click. So in this way we can add. If you want to change the description, you can click on this and start typing over here. Let me change few image. I can click on this, choose image, maybe this one. I can say this image is too short. The image should be 16 by 9. Let me show you how you can optimize, how you can make pixel perfect. And delete this, choose image, click on this, and from here I can say edit image. Original size is this one, but we want to crop it, we want to edit it. So how we can do that? I can click on this and here I can say so always crop your image in the selection. I can say 16 by 9, say full, no. So this image size is different and this image size is different. I can click on this and I want to delete because the image size is different. So whenever you are uploading an image, the image size, make sure the image size should be aspect ratio of 16 by 9. So let me choose another image, paste, insert, like this. So the image should be 16 by, these two are attached with each other, so I want to give some margin and padding. I can click on this, I can go to advanced. Over here also like padding, I want to give some padding and margin over here. So how I can do that? I can click on this and here I think these are not aligned properly, so how I can fix it? 4 column, duplicate, and I can over here and make it aligned properly. There is no gap, so I want to give some gap. So again a style, it's perfect. There is a gap between this and this, so how I can fix it? I can click on this and I can go to advanced and I want to, so I can say minus, don't want to, now I want to bring at the about side to the top side, so I can, and here we can find some ready-made templates or blocks. Go to style, light blue, I can click on this style, no right click, just click on this and column color white. I can click on this style. So in this way you can add as number as products you want to your product page or service. There are a lot of things which you can customize. Just practice, customize, do again and again. If you like, you can click on update, and even after update also, if you don't like any design, anything, you can delete it from here and you can start designing again by clicking over here. Let me tell you one more thing, we need to always optimize our website with all devices. So this is with desktop, let me see on the mobile, because our business 75 to 80% business visitors, they go on mobile and they search for products. So This is looking weird. Here I can say content, typography. Click on this style or background overlay. I can click on this style, typography. Now it's perfect. Click on update. Click on this. We can see the menu. This is fine. Tablet. That's fine. Okay. Go back to the desktop. Let's take a look. You can choose color option from here also. Click on update. What else I want to do? I can do so many things. Let me show you. Text shadow. I can give blur, horizontal, vertical. See, this is called shadow. Click on update. I can go to advanced, motion effect. Time I can say fade in left, like this. Animation duration I can say slow. Animation delay. Click on update. Click on this and I can go to advanced, motion effect, and here I can say 2 for tablet, mobile and all that, but right now I will show you these things you can apply on mobile device or tablet. Advanced, motion effect, go down, there are a lot of options. Bounce in left, fade in down. You can click on this. Advanced, motion in right is slow. I can click on this. This time I want to check with zoom in right. Advanced, click on update. For this I can go to advanced, motion effect. There are so many options. Sliding up, copy, and here I can say paste style. Click on this. Can go to advanced, motion effect, and I can say it. Click on update. So let's take a preview how we have designed. It's perfect. Maybe I want to change the color. Can go to style. That's perfect. Click on update. That's perfect. It's also fine. Okay, so this is how you can easily design your website with the help of Elementor. Design your premium website by yourself. You don't need to pay anything. All elements, everything is free. If you like what you see so far, don't forget to click on subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the next video, which is going to come very soon. God bless to all. Thanks a lot.